Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fadi. Today I'm gonna show you how to generate a random image white and black and using Python. Okay, so what we need to know first is two libraries. The first one, let's open CMD. So the first one is NumPy and how to install it using pip tool. So we write pip install numpy. This is the first one, first library to define matrices. And here we said that numpy is already installed. That's why we don't need to reinstall it. The second one is the pip install images. Image or yeah, that's it. Okay. So this is the second library that you need to install it. Okay, we wait until finishing. Yes, and so here we have the second library that you need in order to starting by defining images and then show manipulating these images. And this domain is called image processing. So the first one is from PIL import image, sorry, image, then import numpy as np. Let's try to define an image. So to define an image, we define using so the definition of an image is a matrix. So it's an array, 2-dimension. Okay, so let's try, for example, to have a matrix. So it would define by using np random library. So rand int, and then we said that it is 2-dimension, and the size of this matrix is, so let's try 500 and 500 by 500. Okay, this is the size of our matrices, and as we see here, sorry, 2 is just the maximum element, so it just give you elements between 0 and 1, 2 minus 1 or n minus 1. Okay, so just for information, the white is not 1, is 255. Okay, so I will multiply 255 by this matrix because it will generate just 0 and 1. If you want, I can show you. I will write print before continue. Image WB white black random. Okay, just let's run this one. Okay, so it will generate for me this matrix, but as I explained to you, one is not does not mean that it is white, so that's why this is 255 multiplying, because one it will become 255. So let's run now. Okay, and as we see, the one is become, now this is another generation because it is randomly for each running program. So the one it will become 255, and if you want, I can show you. Uh, okay, this is the same iteration, but not multiplying by 255. Okay, and so here we have to print the first one. Okay, okay, let's run now. There's some error. What's the error here? Print, okay. Okay, you see, it's the same. Okay, and this is the same error. Sorry. Okay, I will correct it. Yeah, and now it will work now. Okay, you see that this is the same. So the one, it will be 255, etc. So this is the same matrix, just it is multiplying by 255, okay? So it is very simple. Okay, I will continue. Now we have this matrix, and what will, so the second step is to generate the image, okay? How to generate the image? It is using image dot from array, okay? And so the generation of the image, it will be from this matrix. So it will be from this matrix. Okay. So now we create this image, and the last step is to show this image. Okay. So first, I will comment each line. Okay, each iteration. So image is the library to manipulate images. Second one, NumPy is the library to define array 2D or matrices, because an image is by definition is a matrix, is a representation of the matrix of or an array of 2 dimension. Then we define the matrix or array 2D associated to the image. Here, just to print the image, we print the matrix just to see, to show the matrix, and then is image is the image associated to the matrix defined below. Okay, and then the last one is to show the image. Okay, so let's save, and now we can run. And as we see here, we have an image, random image. Okay, so for each square we have a pixel. Okay, as we see, this is a pixel. So white, which mean 1, and 0, which mean black. Okay, you see. But just I will show you more details. Now, if I want to see gray degree, okay, instead of white, black, okay, what we will do? So instead of just making just two possibility, or 0 or 255, we'll have here a level between 0 and 255, you see. So the last element maximum, it will be 255, 256 minus 1, you see. So let's run now, and we will have degrees of gray, or level of gray. So let's run now. You see, first I will comment on the matrix generated. You see, we have many elements, many different elements for in this matrix. We have 4, 200, 253, 104, etc. And as we see in the image now, we have gray, gray, black, white, etc. So it is now variable. It's variated. It is a gray level. You see? So this is what I want to show you. No, so here, if you want, I will write 2 and then I multiply by 200 just to uh, put two matrices. Okay, this is white and black. And if I want, I can also define another matrix gray. Let's random. Okay, let's try for them. Okay, I will just put 5 times 5. Okay, just time 5. And then here we will have just 5 times 5 just to see the difference between these two images. Okay. Okay, we define that the matrix or associated with this define well, yes, white, only white and black. Okay, of gray level. Okay, and now we can print the matrix. Okay, great. And then we will print the second matrix. So this is the second one. So gray. And then we'll define the image. The first image, it is for white WB, white and black. And second one, image gray. It will be okay. Second one. Okay, and let's try to see the two. Gray. Okay, perfect. And now let's run it. Uh, okay, I know. Okay, yeah. Let's compare these two matrices. So as we see, the first one is just element between 0 or 255. Here we have different values between 0 and 255. You see the difference? Okay, so this is what we generate here. So this is these two matrices, and these are the two representation, the image represented of these two matrices. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me. And thank you very much, and see you later. Bye.